Have you ever played Frisbee at night? Now you can. This flying disc is 1,000 times brighter than other light-up discs. You can easily select the brightness level and timer mode you want. To save the battery, the LED light turns off and on. A 30-minute charge lasts up to 1,000 throws or a full ultimate match for up to 90 minutes. You won't have to worry about running out to get batteries. This LED disc is rechargeable. This LED disc is sure to light up your night with tons of fun. It's about $70. If you thought that National Geographic only created educational content about nature and science, this next gadget will surprise you. They actually sell playsets that make learning fun. The Power Rocket comes with a booklet that will help you get ready to launch in just 30 minutes, while explaining the basics of physics and aerodynamics. This rocket can reach an altitude of 200 feet and will drop carefully to the ground with its helicopter-like blades. With one charge, you can launch this rocket about 20 times. When the battery runs out, it only takes 30 minutes to recharge to 100%. The price for this educational, engaging device is $30. A product for fans that have the need for speed. This toy car not only rotates 360 degrees and bounces off anything, it can jump 22 inches high. Zero damage wheels will save your home from destruction. They're made of a soft material and won't leave any scratches, which makes them perfect for playing indoors. This fast car runs on battery. For the remote control, you need two AAA batteries. The remote has got a 100-foot range, and the controls are extremely simple, making the toy great for users of all ages. The price for this is around $34. The Fast and Furious set in the series, which is a huge blend of virtual and actual racing using a smartphone app, and their cars' artificial intelligence skills will undoubtedly appeal to adults and kids alike. There are two game modes, single player and multiplayer. Players will have to activate special skills, shoot at each other with virtual guns, and even level up the characteristics of their cars as they race. The base set lets you build 8 different track configurations, ranging from a figure of 8 to an oval. It comes with 2 supercars and it costs around $30. Laser Battle Hunters. The creators of this set offer a similar option, but instead of smartphones, it comes with fully fledged remote controls, and the cars can accelerate up to 2.7 miles per hour, which combined with the all-wheel drive makes hitting the enemy not such an easy task before the battle. One set requires 14 AA batteries, but you can play outside, and the sound and lighting effects will make the battle even more exciting. The rules are simple. You must hit your opponent 3 times. If all of your friends are unavailable, one of the cars can be switched to autonomous driving mode. The game costs around $40. This next one is sure to be fun for any age group, especially adults who find work to be stressful at times. Here's a good way to bring some morale back into the daily grind and help you de-stress. Use the Air Bazooka to play a game with your co-workers. This Air Bazooka shoots about 19 feet. You'll have endless ammunition because air is free. The price is about $20. Before we get to our next amusing gadget, be sure to subscribe to see more videos like this one. You won't regret it. Air hockey can be a fun pastime, and with this playset, you don't even need a special table to have fun, because there's one that fits on just about any smooth surface and comes with a pair of goals, a puck on an air cushion, and 2 bats. Fact about air hockey: It came about almost by accident in the late 1960s, when a group of American engineers made a table to test an air circulation system. In their spare time, they'd take a puck and some bats to play, and they thought this kind of entertainment would surely appeal to the general public. It costs about $27. On your screens is the safe Zax Axe that's safe to throw indoors. Developers say Zax helps develop hand-eye coordination while learning a new skill. Zax is lightweight and designed to spin properly when thrown at a target, and has the ultimate stick with suction cups made from Softex foam. Compete with others to see who can throw the furthest or who has the most accuracy. Throw one-handed or get fancy and learn to throw with two hands. Either way, have fun with it. Around $27. How large can soap bubbles get? The bubbles created by Canadian magician Fan Yang are large enough to fit 150 individuals inside. It'd be difficult to try this at home, but you can play with many bubbles, such as this bazooka that shoots clouds of bubbles depending on the model. To shoot, you must pour a special solution into a tray and dip the front part of the bazooka in it frequently. The body is made of ABS plastic and includes a carry handle. The built-in LEDs make a lovely light effect. This costs about $40. This unusual drone functions similarly to a frisbee, in that one person launches it and the other person must catch it. One game takes no more than 10 minutes, because that is how long the battery lasts. Then you need a 15-minute break to recharge the device, and you can continue to play even if it's dark. The drone is backlit and made of ABS plastic, and its moving parts are reliably protected. Of course, the model is also suitable for playing indoors, though it will obviously not be as much fun as playing outside. The price is around $23 per piece, and when you activate it, it will spin. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.